Get to those stories in just a few moments, but first tonight at 5 o'clock, Providence's safe injection site is on the verge of moving and expanding. Thanks for joining us at 5. I'm John DeLuca.
And I'm Tiffany Murphy. Advocates love this new spot, calling it one-stop shopping for the people who'll be using it, but residents of that neighborhood aren't so enthusiastic. ABC 6 News reporter Caitlin Gilhouse has the story.
The nation's first state-regulated overdose prevention center secures a location. The Overdose Prevention Center is set to go up at 45 Willard Avenue in Providence, next to the Rhode Island Hospital campus.
This is just another step in really combating our toxic drug supply with evidence-based practices.
As of right now, the plan is to open it this summer. People who buy drugs can go to the site and use them under professional supervision. Project Weber and a clinical partner will run the site, and the Rhode Island Department of Health will regulate the center. There's no cost to taxpayers. Instead, the center is funded by opioid settlement funds. A spokesperson for Project Weber says staff will make sure people who use the site can test their drugs for fentanyl and other harmful substances. There will also be laundry services and showers on site. Advocates say the idea is to prevent overdoses, knowing that Rhode Island lost 434 lives to overdoses in 2022. We spoke to one advocate who did not want to be on camera.
The correlation between addiction and domestic violence, if they're providing coordinated care and treatment to the whole person, not just the symptoms, then we'll be glad to have that type of services in the community.
And also it's going to provide those supports so that we're saving lives. That's the primary goal of this. But if people do want to get into treatment, if people want access to those other resources, it's a one-stop shop and it's going to be there.
I also caught up with residents in the neighborhood where the center would open, and while they did not want to go on camera, they told me they are very concerned about this coming into their community for their children's safety. In Providence, Caitlin Gilhouse, ABC 6 News.
Tonight at